People and time will teach you more than books. One honest no is better than 10 polite excuses. Let go of the past, let go of regret. Think positively, embrace change, be optimistic, spread happiness. An entire sea of water can't sink a ship unless it gets inside the ship. Similarly, the negativity of the world can't put you down unless you allow it to get inside you. Life will never wait for you to be okay. Get up, carry your burden, and keep going. Keep in mind, you can shift the path, you can retrace the plan, you can walk with new people, you can stretch the timeline, you can build new habits, but never lose sight of the destination. He who blames others has a long way to go on his journey. He who blames himself is halfway there. He who blames no one has arrived. One day your heart will sing again with peace, not pain. Follow your heart but take your brain with you. The sun rises and so do we. Even after the hardest nights, we find the strength to start again. Learn to sit back and observe. Not everything needs a reaction. Acceptance isn't giving up, it's giving life permission to unfold without breaking you. Everything in life happens for a reason, no matter how hard or unfair it may be, something good will. Real life loading, breathe fresh air, touch a tree and live fully. Log out and look up. Disconnect to reconnect. Unplug, get outside and breathe. Refresh in real life, take a break, enjoy nature and breathe. You are not missing out, you are here. The greatest disability is in the mind, not in the body. You were born to be real, not to be perfect. You are here to be you, not to be what someone else wants to be. A candle loses nothing by lighting another, meaning helping others doesn't diminish your own light, it multiplies it. Compassion and support make everyone shine brighter. No matter how good you are, if you are in a wrong place, you are worthless. Stupid is knowing the truth, seeing the truth, but still believing the lies. Your reputation is earned in drops, lost in buckets. Your boundaries teach others how to treat you. Regret is the price you pay for waiting too long to try. Life is a game, you cannot undo past moves, but you can make better ones ahead. The price of anything is the amount of life you exchange for it. Every pain gives a lesson, and every lesson changes a person. Always choose quality over quantity. Life is a gift and it offers us the privilege, opportunity, and responsibility to give something back by becoming more. Be a good person, but don't waste time to prove it. No reason to stay is a good reason to go. If you are worried about the cost of going for it, think for a minute about the price of staying exactly where you are. Don't try to change something as long as it's still working. Failure is feedback dressed in pain. A person who is okay with being alone is a powerful person. You don't have to be loud to be brave. Just keep showing up with heart. A calm life teaches little but challenge. It teaches grit, grace, and the kind of strength that doesn't show up until you fall and rise again. Be thankful for every new challenge. Each will give you more strength, wisdom, and character. Keep going because your life doesn't end in one failure. Life is beautiful, but it's up to you to find the beauty in it. Observation is the soul's way of listening to what words can't confess and silence can't hide. We are the authors of our own lives, yet so often we let others hold the pen. Your value doesn't decrease because someone couldn't see your worth. Moments become memories and people become lessons. That's life. When you count your blessings, you realize you are actually doing just fine. Every day is a second chance. When you learn to survive, nothing can break you. You are stronger than you think you are. Always be ready to say goodbye to anything. Don't waste sunsets with people who will be gone by sunrise. Same tree, different season. Don't give up in your hard season. The path appears when you put your foot down. Go easy on yourself. Whatever you do today, let it be enough. Sometimes it's very hard to move on, but once you move on, you realize it was the best decision you have ever made.